Today we are going to study Grignard reagents. Different types of reactions of Grignard reagents. Now, Grignard reagents, they are having the general formula RNGX. Here R is alkyl group. Alkyl group it is attached to magnesium metal. Now this alkyl group or carbon atom, it is more electronegative as compared to magnesium atom. Being more electronegative as compared to magnesium atom, it will pull electron towards itself. Therefore, it will have delta negative charge and delta positive charge will remain on magnesium. In this way, this is about the polarity of RNGX molecule. Therefore, when it is reacted with any molecule, suppose this is reacted here, with carbonyl compound. Now in carbonyl compound, this carbon atom is having delta positive charge. This is having delta negative charge. Carbon atom, this oxygen is more electronegative as compared to oxygen, as compared to carbon. Therefore, it will attract electron pairs itself. Therefore, when this RNGX it is reacted with carbonyl compound, this R part it will attack on carbonyl carbon. Okay, and this OMGX part it will get attached to the oxygen part, being delta positive, leading to formation of the addition product COMGX. Here, second R, which is attached here, RCOMGX. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now, in next step, this is hydrolyzed or decomposed with the help of HCl. So as to be ROH. This will be alcohol. Plus remaining part is NGOH. This will break from this point, H and OH, leading to formation of alcohol and magnesium compound. Here it is NGXH. Okay, this is the specimen example. Let us see the direct example. This is the mechanism type of reaction. For example, this is lithium magnesium iodide. It is reacted with aldehyde. This is delta negative, this is delta positive, delta positive, delta negative. So this will attack on this carbon carbon. Remaining part will attach here. CH3 R, here will be CH and OMGX. This compound is decomposed by reaction with HCl. This will break from this point. giving rise to primary alcohol. This is the side product, MgOH, and this is X. In this way, we can say that when this methyl magnesium iodide or Grignard reagent, it reacts with what we say aldehyde. To give addition product. This is the addition product. Which on hydrolysis, this is the hydrolysis part. Which on hydrolysis gives the secondary alcohol. For example, this is the example here. Okay, now we will see the reaction with ketones. Or we can say the preparation of tertiary alcohol. Same things are there. Here it will change only. Let us take R dash here. Methyl magnesium bromide will attack. It will react with this so as to form CH3. Here it will be R. New R is there. R dash here. Here is this R and this CH3 here. And therefore R here will be R dash. In this way, this will be preparation of tertiary alcohol. This carbon atom is tertiary. 3 alkyl groups they are attached here. So in this way, this methyl magnesium iodide or Grignard reagent, it reacts with ketone to give what we say tertiary alcohol. Okay.